Hey guys, okay, so I've got a absolutely beautiful WB, solid, smooth, very nicely designed brass padlock, lovely singing tone when you pop this. I don't know if it's picked up on the camera, but yeah, it opens clockwise and it also opens counterclockwise. So bit of an unusual thing for a padlock, but yeah. And there is the key. We have an A keyway. And this lock was sent to me by Potti314. So Michael, great lock. Love this lock. Thank you ever so much for this. It's yeah, it's a special thing, and you were right. I really did want one. And they're not pushovers, are they? So yeah, right. Let's get it clamped up. So I'm going to go top of the keyway, and I'm going to go with the Peterson 3. Okay, so I'm going to go counterclockwise. Make sure we are in shot. Everything is all good. Okay. There's a bit on one. Two. Three. Oh dear, that was a bit extreme. 5. Oh. Well, there we go. An open is an open. Maybe the extreme number 4 was what I needed, because it's. I think they got serrated in. I don't think they're spools, but yeah, definitely serrated. But still, I will take that little bit of luck. We do not always get it, but yeah. Thank you ever so much, guys. So I'm going to leave it there. Thank you, Michael, very much for the lock. Treasure this, and I will move on to the next. Thank you, guys. Catch you soon. Take it easy and be good.